What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. Alright, y'all, so in today's video I have a mini Target haul. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, Target been turned up for a little while now, and y'all, it's making me happy. It's making me so happy. And I'm really excited about some of the pieces that I got from Target. If any of that sounds interesting to you, keep on watching. But before we get into the video, I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome back to all my day ones. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? My name is Angelle, and I run a style, travel, and lifestyle channel. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, click the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, y'all. So for those of y'all that don't know, I have recently purged my closet and I am getting rid of 99% of it, right? So we are slowly rebuilding, right? And I talked about it in my purging my closet video. I talked about it in my purging my closet video, the direction that I wanted to go in. And the pieces that I got from Target, y'all, they bopping. They bopping for real, for real. And not just that, they are all very affordable. And of course, I will link all the pieces that I can down below. They are all relatively new, so they're gonna be some easy finds. And we got a mix. We didn't just get clothes, we also got some pajamas, right? I have a 4-year-old son, and I'm a nudist, okay? I'm a nudist. And when he was 1 and 2, that was cool. Now that he's 4, mama can't walk around nude no more. She got to put on some clothes, okay? She has to put on some clothes, and so I have clothing to put on around my son. That is very important. I don't want to hear no shit in the comments. I don't want to hear nobody judging me in the comments, girl. Go play with your mama, not me, okay? But first piece that I purchased from Target is this black denim jumpsuit. Okay, now let's talk about two things. One, if you know me, you know I love denim. And then two, I actually already had this jumpsuit in like blue, in regular blue denim, right? However, I told y'all in that video that I had gained some weight, and that one fits a little tight now, right? So we went ahead and went up a size, and this one, and it already fit oversized. Like, that one still fit, right? That one absolutely still fit, but I thought going up a size would be beneficial. And now when purchasing things, I'm probably going to go up a size or 2, depending on how I want this to fit. But I did go up a size in this, and y'all, it is absolutely adorable. I do love it. The only thing that I will probably change on it is I think I am going to get the pant hemmed. I absolutely love this. I loved how relaxed it is. I love how simple it is. I'm not gonna go, like, I love how you can just throw it on, right? If it is fall now in winter, throw a turtleneck on it to warm it up, throw a coat over it to warm it up. Like, there's just, so wear it with some low top sneakers to jazz it down for spring, summer. It's just a year-round cool piece, and I absolutely love it. And I got it in a size 0 because it does run big, and it was $44. So yes, love that. Next piece. Okay, y'all, so the next piece that I got from Target is actually 3 pieces, and I got them all separately, but I'm gonna show y'all them as one because I will wear them as one. But it is this like brown pajama set. One of my favorite influencers, her name is Mo the Diva on Instagram. I will link her IG down below. But y'all, I seen it on her. I saw it on her and knew that I just had to have it, okay? So I ran on over to my local Target, and they only had one in my size, thank the Lord. I did get an extra small in the top, a small in the bottom, and then an extra small / small in the robe, and y'all, it fits so well. It looks so nice. Now I am thinking about getting the pajama pants hemmed. I know that is so extra because it's pajama pants. Comment down below, let me know if that's too extra, but the pants are a little long, and I am thinking about getting them hemmed up. But y'all, this set is everything, and the total price of the set, all 3 pieces, was $65. So yes, okay. When I want to get a little sexy, I can open it up, and when mommy needs to be covered, it is a robe in the back so we can cover it up completely, y'all. 10 out of 10. I love this. I love the way it fit. I love the way it feels, and I love the color. Y'all know brown this fall, this winter, I said has been my color. We love this. All right, next piece. Okay, y'all, so next is just this green button-down shirt. I got this from Target. This was $25, and I got this in an extra small. It is oversized. It's just a green button-down, but I absolutely love it, especially paired with the next piece. Y'all, which y'all probably will see it, but y'all, love, 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 love. Like, it's so simple, yet it's still so chic. We just throw it on, and we're out the door. Tuck it in on one side, y'all. Like, we're getting back to the basics, and I love it. So yeah, $25, extra small. The brand is Universal Thread from Target. Let's go. All right, y'all, so the next piece that I picked up are these Levi's jeans. They are the 721 high-rise skinnies. This is the most expensive piece that I picked up. It was $59.99, and I got a size 27. Y'all, and I know people have said skinny jeans are out, skinny jeans are out, skinny jeans are out. Girl, I don't care about what these people are talking about. Black skinny jeans will always be in. They are always convenient to wear. I do love straight leg jeans, and I like flared jeans, and we will have a pair of straight legs and a pair of flared. But y'all, skinny jeans are always going to be in, especially skinny jeans that stop at the ankle. These are a bit long on me, but I am getting them tailored to make sure they hit me right at the ankle. And I pretty much only wear high rise or high waisted jeans because I think that's what looks best on my silhouette. So yeah, and this paired with that green shirt, y'all, money. All right, so yeah, Levi's jeans, easy. We love to see it. Let's go to the next piece. All right, y'all, so this next piece is just this all black slip dress, and it has a little slit on the side. Y'all, I absolutely love this. We throw this on with a low, like a low top, you know, sneaker with a black cardigan, brooch on the cardigan. Girl, we're out the door. We are snazzy, jazzy, and I love how simple yet elevated it is, or how much we can elevate it with accessories. Now, y'all know I love me a split, so I am going to get the split risen on the dress. Don't judge me, I don't care, okay? Go play with your mama, not me. I done told y'all. I'm gonna get the split risen on the dress, but I absolutely love it. And this dress was actually on sale. It was 30% off, so it only came up to like $20 or something like that. And I got a size small. It's by the brand A New Day. They had multiple colors, and I actually really like the burgundy as well, but I just decided that we're gonna go with black. Again, we're getting back to basics. We want a closet that speaks to my everyday lifestyle, okay? And although in my mind I live like I'm Naomi Campbell about to hit the runway every day, I don't. And we need to have things that are practical that I can run out in, and this dress, definitely practical, but at the same time chic and can be sexy and just all the things. So yes, this is that piece, and let's go ahead and see the last piece. All right, y'all, so the last piece is another pajama piece, and it is basically like the slip dress that matches the robe and stuff from the previous pajama set. And y'all, it's just okay, y'all, so my main camera overheated, goddamn Sony, but we need to get this video finished, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show and finish it off here. So yeah, it is the final piece well, not the final piece, but it is like a part of the line from the robe before, and I thought it was perfect because I already got a robe with that one. So this little slip dress I figured would do wonders. But y'all, that is all of the pieces that I got from Target. Comment down below, let me know which piece was your favorite. I am really excited to be rebuilding my wardrobe. Like, I am like excited for the possibilities, excited for all the new stuff. But yes, like this video if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Also follow me over there on Instagram at Angelle's Life and over on TikTok at Angelleslife. Life. I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being patient with me. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.